Hey guys, does your RV bed do this? Well, we're going to fix that problem. Stay tuned. When we first got our RV, it had one of the cheap RV mattresses in it. And we decided we wanted a more comfortable mattress, so we put quite a bit heavier mattress in. And ever since then, it will not hold itself up. So we're going to replace the gas struts today on the RV bed. It's going to be a pretty simple job. We'll lift the bed up and brace it up, and we'll go from there. Okay, these are the struts that we're going to replace. The ones that are in here are rated at 40 pounds each, so basically 80 pounds. And we're getting ready to put in 100-pound struts, and I hope that will be big enough to hold the bed up. Pretty simple operation. We're going to pull this clip up right here with a screwdriver, and that'll loosen it up and you'll be able to pull it off the ball. Let me see if I can get that done here. Show you a little bit closer up view of that. There's a clip right there, this clip right here, and you just use a screwdriver in those little notches right there and pull that clip up with the screwdriver, and that allows you to loosen up off of this ball right here. So let's put the new one on. The new ones are built just like the ones we just took off, and I think we can just snap those on. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that'll just snap on. You don't have to worry about moving the clip for that. Okay, that's all you have to do. And I got one down, we got one to go. Those come off really, really easy. Okay, we're going to snap the other one in. Just give it a good shove and it'll go in. Okay, then just raise this one up to meet that one. And snap it in place. That's all you got to do. Let's see if it holds it up. And it appears to be holding it up. We got the brace out. There's the new braces installed. Let's see if it goes down. Okay. There's down. Let's see if it goes up easy. Oh my. That's way easier than the old one. I think that was a success. The gas struts we used came from E-Trailer. They have several different kinds of struts with several different weight ratings. So make sure when you get a set to look at your old ones and measure them and make sure they're the same length and everything to make sure they'll work in your application. Hope you enjoyed this short video on how to replace the gas struts underneath your bed and your RV. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And as always, have fun camping. We'll talk to you later. Bye.